So what Michael was talking about that he's going to work on is making blend work uh, on more than just one edge. Right now it's really limited to just one edge. So that's what you're running into with uh, with the blend. And so what part of what he was saying was if you can run rebuild on the curves first and then get a better result on it. So like what happens if you extrude this one right now, you see how everywhere where I put the fillet has the lines on it, and this one here won't have that. It's just a circle with only one line, and if I made it with four lines I'd have to try and blend every little piece because each one of these segments will come out segmented. So what you do is the circle will be one already, and I'm just going to rotate that around, by the way, so it's basically seam will match over here. And so now I'm going to select this one right here, and I'm going to hit tab, and I'm going to type rebuild. And just doing 0.01 is good because I'm not going to it won't deviate off of any of those. So now when I go to extrude this, by the way, see it's only got the one seam on it, and so now essentially its resulting surface will just have will be a one single seam that can be blended. So now let me just delete those curves. Normally you might want to keep them around. So now when I run blend, I can select that one whole edge and that one whole edge, and now a blend will make a nice transition between them. And then using keeping the history there, obviously I can shape it however I want. So yeah, I don't know if you were going to be able to get the shape you were actually looking for without putting that extra. You were talking about putting the extra surfaces and stuff in there. Anyway, so you can see what I mean. I just kind of fooled around there for a minute by grabbing and pulling and stuff. So that's kind of similar to the shape you were going for, which is blending those corners in. You could have chose a G2 and it would make these harder edges and stuff. And then of course join that. The ends are capped so it's a solid. So now I can just select the two ends and run shell to get that same look that you got over there on yours, you know, a little less. Let's just go there. Anyway, I don't know if that allows you to get the shape you want. Like if I made this the proper, you know, if you got the two sizes correct that you had in the other one, it should come out a nice blend between the two objects. And later though, when he makes the one, he's going to work on a tool that's going to allow you to take that one piece and select all those separate edges and any separate edges like that and create a blend between them, so it would control more. You would control having those seam edges blending together. Like this one could have the four edges and this one could have the four edges, and then they would blend together well. So anyway, just thought I'd point that out.